Hiring an apprentice is a great way to develop a skilled and motivated workforce. Here at Logic4training, we'll tailor apprenticeship programs to your business needs. Apprenticeships are a great way to train and retain talent. Apprentices bring additional skill and productivity to your workforce. They know your business inside and out. Following the completion of their apprenticeship, you'll have a fully qualified employee who already knows your business and your business needs. So apprenticeships are funded through what's called the apprenticeship levy. So employers who have a large pay bill of around £3 million plus per year automatically pay into this levy. So their apprenticeship training is funded by using these funds. For smaller employers, they pay just 5% towards the cost of the apprenticeship training and the government covers the rest. For those small employers that don't pay into the levy, if their apprentice is aged between 19 to 21 years old at the start of their training, the government will fund the whole cost of the apprenticeship. The building services sector is an ever-changing industry, and Logic4training are here to support the upskill of your workforce as and when you need it. Also, with our apprenticeship program, we're here to support you throughout the entire process, from recruiting potential apprentices to supporting them right the way through to their endpoint assessment. For more information, or if you're interested, please have a look around our website at the relevant pages to you. If you've got any questions, please feel free to fill in the contact form and get in touch with us, and we'll get back to you.